My name's Keeva, I'm from St Kilda in Melbourne. I used TAXIBOX because I was packing to move houses. Customer service was perfect, beyond perfect. There was always someone different, but they all carried the same values across the board. They all were helpful, they all were caring, they all were understanding and willing to help me out. I had a very short time frame, so they were willing to fit around my schedule. I work away and then I wasn't available, and they helped. They dropped off the box before the time that I needed, and they just were really accommodating to what I needed. I packed my TAXIBOX with my boyfriend. It was a real fun experience because we opened up the TAXIBOX and it had a list of tips on how to pack your box. And number 3, I think it was not to be hungover, but we were. So we definitely had to use the stress ball that was there for us. I think anyone that's doing it by themselves should use a TAXIBOX. If you don't have a support unit or any friends or family that can help you move, it's just a really good solution. TAXIBOX stood out for me because every time I spoke to someone, they were really understanding. It felt like the company cared about me as a person. They were really funny to talk to. They were happy. Emails were hilarious to read. There was always jokes involved or puns. So it was really good speaking to a company that felt like they were there to help me.